Second most important rule for the artist at sea, always bring a pencil sharpener.
SpongeBob SquarePants. These stars are about to enter Nickelodeon's ultimate Halloween haunted house. No scripts, no clues, all caught on camera. Real stars, real screams. Hosted by Modern Family's Rico Rodriguez. It's Nickelodeon's ultimate Halloween haunted house. Tonight at 9:30. Enter if you dare. Barbie, her sisters, and their puppies return for an all-new tropical adventure.
Pretty awesome.
And make some exciting new friends.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna love this, I promise.
Barbie and her sisters in A Puppy Chase. Now on Blu-ray, DVD, and digital. Not rated.
Those are the pants Grandma gave you for your birthday. I'm glad they fit you. Where did they fit?
What?
They're at the table already for tomorrow.
We both win. Now that's worth a Lunchables with 100% juice. Get your hands on a box.
You know what I'm going to have for supper? I didn't take anything out of the freezer.
You're good.
It's the grocery gang. The grocery gang that loves explosive. Open up. What will you find? What this you can't collect? How many groceries can you get? Like stickles, wrestling, and more. Grocery gang figures and placements. Each sold separately. Out now for Moose.
New Lego Ninjago sets. The villains are back. Build the Ultra Stealth Raider and spin into action.
Wow, look at these guys.
You can
They look like a lot of fun.
with new Lego Ninjago sets. Each set sold separately.
Only from Matchbox. Bet you never had a bestest buddy like Stinky.
Garbage, garbage.
Wow.
Stinky the garbage truck. When you talk to Stinky, he talks back.
That looks like a lot of fun. Well, let's eat it. What's it do? Eat it?
And when it's time to rock,
What to get you for Christmas? Christmas will be coming pretty soon.
Stinky the garbage truck. Send over 90
Thanksgiving.
only from Matchbox.
Welcome to the Littlest Pet Shop. Everyone's here. In the pet
Two
shop,
of us
let
in
us
this
bring
one.
to life. We have a ball hanging out on the swing with all our friends. Dive into the fun. Who's in your Littlest Pet Shop comes with 3 pets. Other pets sold separately. Adult assembly required.
Hot Wheels, make it epic with crisscross crash. Load up
I missed all my hugs.
crash, smash, and take out the competition. The winner is the one.
5 hugs, honey.
Smash, crisscross crash. Set with
You
one
weren't
car,
here.
several batteries not included. Other cars each
On
sold
Sunday. I saw you Sunday. Don't I get 5 hugs?
Go back to the bookie.
Every day, a hug for every day of the week that I don't see you.
And go to school together. We could call it Monster High.
But will one zombie bring doom to the classroom?
I'm not going anywhere. And neither are you. What are you doing?
They mean a lot.
See that coming.
I keep them in my heart.
Don't miss the brand new special. Welcome to Monster High. Premiering
My
tomorrow
hug.
at 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Monday to Friday is 5 days, so that's 5 hugs
Captain!
I can't hear you.
that I need to get.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
So what's your costume look like? You got a face mask? Or an outfit to wear?
Something you wish.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah?
Then drop on the deck and float like a fish. Ready? SpongeBob
Got an outfit?
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob
Square
SquarePants.
pants. Yes. No, don't fool with that. Huh? No. We have all kinds of trouble with stuff here. Fans.
With your excitement engines, Mr. Squidward.
Guys get new band.
Another monotonous day I spend out in the sun pushing for
They
an
don't want
empty horizon.
No,
That's today. Tomorrow is food con.
Somebody must have Somebody must have come in.
What's a food con?
Additionally, who cares? Mr. Squidward,
Food Con is the biggest convention of food
He owns
fans
the
in the
restaurant.
entire
Makes the
ocean.
Krabby
The
Cakes.
best chefs and cooks gather together
I
and
wonder if
compete
they're
for the
any
top
good.
prize. The golden
Krusty Krab.
Oh boy! The Krabby Patty is a sure bet to win the golden contest.
Darn tootin' it is, and you two will be me right claw men. Could use some extra muscle though to help set up the booth. Perfect. Let's hit the road. As you can see, gentlemen, I have spared no expense on our transportation. And I've got plenty of free samples. That's how.
This is the best day ever! I spy with my little eye.
Mr. Krabs!
Yes,
I spy with my eye.
Mr. Krabs?
Oh, yes, yes.
I spy with my little eye.
Mr. Krabs?
Oh, how do you know?
Enough! You both are barnacles on me brain.
The world's second biggest lump is only 50 miles away. We gotta see it.
No.
The world's least exciting sweater. My parents fell in love there. We gotta